Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Trading Twilight and I'm Ankita Agnihotri, and today we have Nifty's expiry. Maybe a selling will be going to continue at here at this particular resistance, like 25 to 50 is coming as a resistance last 2-3 days. So maybe a one sailing will be going to towards the support will be possible at here. So I have taken like 25 to 50 as a SL, and this sailing will be going to continue. So my target would be 2500 level or 2580. I will be gonna book. So this is a completely a kind of sailing zone where resistance is again and again acting as a resistance, strong resistance, and this expiry maybe this is possible. It can go towards the supports, and then we will see the buying which will be going to like happen. Like last 4 or 5 days, so maybe a slow buying comes and converted in a selling. This would be a leading and sale and rise pattern is already activated. So here I just making this video, so don't be confused yourself in this particular buying. This is not a buying, this is a kind of selling retracement we can see in this particular resistance. So 250 is again and again making as a strongest resistance where we have taken this sailing for the support and target, which is 2580. This would be possible. So completely a sailing zone, and till then it's not going to give a close above 25 to 50. So don't be confuse yourself that it will be going in the buying side. This is a totally a sailing. This is a like a first candle which triggers the sailing, and this is selling retracement, and again it's coming to the sailing zone. So maybe we are going to book our profit accordingly, and in bank nifty as well. So these are the supports, which is 57,000. So 57 350 is acting as a resistance at here. So this may be possible. It will be going to like 56 950 or 900 area. So here you can also plan for the like any candle is going to be close below 57 100. So this is again a sailing kind of retracement. So you can also plan for the sailing, and this is a sailing area, and this comes as in sailing again, and towards the support it would be possible one more sailing will be going to trigger at here. And mid cap nifty has given a downfall in the morning only, and Infosys has given a beautiful sailing, and this is a particular coming resistance. So this is maybe a 80% probability it can touch these supports. So we are playing this on in this way. So here you can plan and book according to your risk appetite, and 25 100 may be acting as a support. So we are going to book at here, and we are going to trail according to the price action. If it is going to give a breakdown below 2500, so you kindly book your profit, and when it's going to give any retracement, we will going to plan again for the sailing side accordingly. But don't trail your positions here. Like trailing is not feasible at here because today we have the expiry. So it's better we can book your part profit, and then we can make again and again positions according to your risk appetite, and your risk to reward is matched with me, so you can proceed for the sailing side. Otherwise you can skip and wait for the supports. If it is going to the supports, reach to the support, and it's making any sort of strong, like it may be going to span half an hour or like 1 hour at here. So we will be going to plan at here for the buying side. Otherwise we will be going to plan for a sale on rise in this sailing zone. So kindly, this 188 is acting as a resistance at here, you can see, and till then it's below, it's making a sale on rise pattern going to be followed. So you can plan in both the indices. One more sailing is again will be possible. So this is a disclaimer. All contents are for education purpose. So if you are making any buy and sale as per my analysis, so consult to your financial advisor first. And hope you like this video. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and give me on like your feedback on the comment section, so that I can come to know that how much you are liking this video and what's your opinion about my analysis and my particular daily basis one or two trade, so I can make you profitable on the like daily basis. This is an intraday, so highly risky. So take risk only 10% of your capital. This is totally a kind of risk to reward you can match with your capital, then only you can trade in intraday. Otherwise you can go with the stocks for intraday, which is better option for the beginners. And this is Ankita Agnati signing off. Love you all. Bye bye. Take care.